Hi lovelies, and welcome back to one of my other videos. So today I wanted to share with you guys a mini haul, like a sale haul, because in France winter sales have started, and then I went through a lot of different Pandora stores, actually 3 of them, to see what they had on sale and in stock. So I got seven items, and I wanted more, but I had to stop for some reason. And the first one actually is this one, and it's called Theodore Beer Pendant, and on the front you can see it says hug me, and on his little butt you can see a heart-shaped cutout, and I think he's so cute, and I love bears so much I couldn't resist. And this one I wear it as a necklace, but sadly I don't have any gold chain, so I just wear it with a regular silver chain, and it still looks cute. And then the next one that I have is this charm here, and this one, oh, it's so shiny. It's called Enchanted Nature Charm, and I think it was pretty. Like, I like the big CZ on the middle. I think it looks really nice. I just put it on this bracelet because I don't have any particular theme at the moment. Just like this, and this one was like 50% off, so I was like, I have to grab it. Next one is this ring. I got it yesterday actually, and this one is called the Timeless Elegance ring in green CZ. Sorry, this one I love to wear it. Just simple here. The green CZ looks like an emerald stone, and you have all the clear CZs around the ring. I love it. And then next one I already showed you before is this one, and this one is called the Vibrant Spirit ring in black crystal, because actually they have it in blue, and I like to wear it like on this finger with all those 2 rings stacked. And then a few Disney and Pandora charms, and I was surprised that there were a lot of Disney charms on sale. And the first one I got is this one, Winnie the Pooh, and the name of this one is Honey Pot Pooh Charm. It has some red and yellow detail, and it says honey here, and on the back you still have the red and yellow color. And then one that I also got to complete my Disney bracelet was this one, this Murano, and then this one is Aurora Signature Color Murano Charm, and this one glows in the dark, so I was really surprised. It's really nice, and I wanted my Disneyland bracelet to be like pastel pink themed mainly, so I changed it a little bit. Then I got this one, which is called Vintage Mini Charm in Bubblegum Pink, and then on the bottom you have 3 pink CZs mixed with clear ones, and then it's double-sided. I love the pink color on this one, and Mini has like a vintage feel. It looks really nice. And then I got I think that's all on this one. I got 3 charms on sale, and also I wanted to show you that I purchased recently this charm, which is Hong Kong Disneyland Park exclusive, and this one is Stella Lou, so it's one of Duffy's friends, and the first time I saw it, it was in my Pandora Charmed Life video, and I love her, and she unboxed this one, and I fell in love, and I wanted to grab it as soon as possible, and I love it so much. It's my favorite charms of all time. And then that's it, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this mini haul. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.